Assalamu alaikum everyone. Uh, Thank you for watching today's video. Today I'll show how to draw this drawing in AutoCAD 2D. So at first I'm going to erase it. Okay, select and erase. Okay. Now I'm going to take the rectangle. Okay, click here showing the 0 0 0. So I am going to taking the point 4.8 comma 4.8. okay, the rectangle, I mean the square, it is make a square. So a square is done. Then I am going to take the circle. Here I am selecting the 10 radius circle. Okay, click on this side and click another side, so the radius will be 2.4. enter. Okay, then I am going to take the circle, I am center and radius circle. Okay, it will be, the radius will be 1.6. done. Another circle, another circle will be, the radius will be 1. okay, then taking another circle here, whose radius will be 0.6. okay, 0.6. Then I'm going to say I'm going to the array. Here the rectangular array, path array and polar array. I am selecting the polar array. Okay, after selecting polar array, I'm click on the center. So the circle is done. Here I am here I am watching 6 circle is done. So I am reducing 2 circle. Here I am going to take 4 circle. So 4 input, then enter. The 4 circle is done. The drawing also done. Now I am going to provide the dimension. So here the linear dimension, click on this side, click another side, 4.2 4.8. then the go to the diameter, then it's also 4.8. then it is almost 3.8, and the small cycle is 1.2, and the inner circle, again taking the inner circle. Okay, this circle is diameter is 2. okay,